Howdy. I was given this Oster blender 12 speed to check on. It's not coming on. So I'll go through it, but I don't know if I'll be able to repair it. It looked like the knobs are kind of hard. With all that said, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, give me the like, and you could comment. I don't know if the mic is sounding good because I bought some mics. They worked good at the beginning. That's one of them. And all of a sudden, they start giving problem. With all that said, let's begin. The blender has 2 screws. It's Phillips. So let's get them out. Two Phillips screws. You take out this, and that's what the inside looks like. A bit, it's a bit dirty. I'll just do the testing and see if I could repair it once I get it going. If I get it going, I should say, I will do the cleaning off camera. So let me test. Okay, the wire has continuity, so that's not the problem. We have a fuse here. Okay, the fuse is blown, although I could see the mark on it. This is the fuse. It's a 250-volt fuse. I don't have that type of fuse. That fuse is smaller. It had a 5 amp. That one is a 1 amp fuse. Let me see. If it broke, I would have to get the right fuse, but the fuse I put in it is a bit smaller. So here goes nothing. Make sure the wires are away from this. Yeah, the fuse burn. The fuse burn. So which means zero 0.5 amps, 5 amps, 3, 2. let's try that again. Oh. Yeah, this is it. So what I'm going to do now, I put a 5 amp fuse. I'll take it out and put a 4 amp fuse. So I'm going to clean the inside and put it back together. This is it for this video. If you find it was helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. Thank you for watching and goodbye.